Let's now go to pathology of qi mechanism. Let's discuss entering and exiting of qi in the mind, Shan. The entering and exiting of qi in and out of the mind must be seen in the context of the coordination between the mind and the heart and the ethereal soul, Han, of the liver. The ethereal soul is sometimes defined as the coming and going of the mind. That is, it is always searching, dreaming in terms of life dreams, exploring, making plans, and being inspired. Hence, on the psychic level, this constitutes the entering and exiting of chi, that is, the coming and going in and out of the mind. In pathology, if there is excessive exiting of chi, the going, the ethereal soul's natural movement is out of control, which could occur because of the control and integration of the mind is insufficient. The person has too many life dreams, too many projects that often do not come to fruition, and too many ideas that often result in chaos. In serious cases, it may turn into manic behavior. If there is excessive entering of chi, the coming, the ethereal soul's natural movement is defective, which could occur because of the control of the mind is too rigid. The person will tend to be depressed, to be confused about life's direction, and to lack vision, aims, life dreams, and inspiration. Here we can see the pathology of entering and exiting of chi between the mind and the ethereal soul. To summarize, the ethereal soul is the coming and the going of the mind. Coming and going is a form of entering and exiting. Excessive exiting of the ethereal soul may cause a rather chaotic state of mind. Excessive entering of the ethereal soul may cause depression. Thank you for your attention.